Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to my presentation and my friend. Today we will brought the presentation with me, Noval Rafif, and my friend Zakiatul Zahro. The material we will bring is about what happening in around us, especially about impact of pandemic to education aspect. Therefore, we also discuss a journal from E. Perkin and Zainada Reyes, and title is Exploring the Oral Communication in Use in the Classroom Discussion. Education class, which is usually done with offline class or face-to-face class. Due to this pandemic, class become to online class. This research is aimed at 12th grade students, and in this journal I have two important points to explain. The first is what the factors that influence the student using oral communication, and the second is what the purpose of the text and what are the strategies. And the first material will be presentation by Zakiatul Zahro.
The material is exploring the oral communication strategies used online classroom discussion. The first is what are the factors that influence the student in using a particular type of oral communication. In this journal, there are several factors that influence students in using certain type of oral communication on strategies during online class discussion are lack of linguistic knowledge, vocabulary, and structure. Not confident in using English, not understanding in ideas, a scientist speaking external factor that effect is such as having a poor internet connection and the choice of language used by teachers during online class discussion are the factors that influence students in using oral communication on strategies during online class discussion. And the second is what the purpose of the researchers doing the research. Based on our understanding, the purpose of researchers do conduction research to get solution on how to teach in this pandemic or online learning. In other words, what type of strategies can be used by students of oral communication in classes. In the journal, there are approximately 34 strategies, but what can be applied by students in only as many as 16 strategies. So the next will be present by Noval.
Based on the journal, we have 16 out of 34 oral communication strategies implemented during online classroom discussion. The first, we have direct strategies, is have 9-point OCS. OCS is mean oral communication system. And the point is the first, code switching, message abandonment, message replacement, circumambulation, approximation, restriction, literal translation, self-replacing, and self-repair. While in interactical strategies, we have 5 OCS. The first is Apple for help. The second is expressing of non-understanding, asking for repetition, asking for clarification, and the last is guessing. Last, in direct strategies, we have 2 OCS, which were using filters and using verbal strategy.
So, from this journal, we can conclude that oral communication on strategies may serve as a marker or a signal for the teacher in helping the students to express themselves in language classroom discussion or in doing communicative tasks. In addition, the finding should be helpful in determining the field in which students are experiencing communication problems. Okay?
I think that's a lot of presentation from us. Sorry if there any mistake. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.